So we'll see file screen management, and file screening management is a feature of FSRM which allows system administrator to restrict users to save a specific extension file. For example, user 1 should not save .exe file in the home folder, and user 2 should not save the images in the home folder. So we can restrict the users to save the specific extension. By default, users can save all the files. And our requirement is build should not save the image files except JPEG images. So we will restrict build to save the images except JPEG format. Okay, so we need to follow these steps. The first step is to enable the auditing option if you want to monitor the user activities. So let us say after configuring this limit to bill, and you want to monitor whether bill is saving the image files or not. So we need to enable the auditing. So with the help of this auditing, we can monitor the activities of bill. If you do not enable it, you can't monitor it. And after that, we'll create a template to restrict all images except JPEG. After that, we will apply the template to the user folder. Okay, we'll create the template, then we'll apply the template to user folder. So we'll enable the auditing first. So how to enable the auditing option? We'll log on to domain controller, then we'll go to server manager, then we'll go to tools, then we'll select FSRM option. Okay, file server resource manager option, then right click here. After right clicking, we will select this configure options. Okay, here we'll select the first option, right click, and we'll select this configure option. Then we will select this option here. We'll get this window, and we need to go to file screening audit option, and we will check this option, record file screening activities in auditing database. Okay, to monitor the activities. If you uncheck, you won't be able to monitor it. Then we need to create the template to restrict all image extensions except JPEG. So then we will come to this option. Second option, file screening management. Under this file screening management, we have three options here: file screens, file screen template, and file group. So we'll select this second option to create the template, file screen templates. Then we'll have some predefined templates. So we are not going to use these predefined templates. We'll create our own template to block the images. Okay, so you will find some default templates, and we want to create a new template. So we'll right click on file screen templates. Then we'll select this option, create file screen template. Then you will get this window. Okay, so here provide the template name. You need to provide the name here, template name, any meaningful name like block image files except JPEG. Okay, provide the template name, then select the screening type. So here we need to select what we want to block. So we have selected the image files here. After selecting the image files, you will get this window. We'll click edit and you will get this window. And here in this option, it will block these many extensions. And we need to exclude JPEG. Okay, so we need to enter JPEG here. After that, we'll click OK, and our template is created, block image files except JPEG. After creating this template, we need to apply this template to the user folder. So we'll select the first option now, file screens. Right click, create file screen, and we need to provide the path. Okay, we'll browse it to the build folder. Okay, build folder. In this example, it is saved in F, then home folder, then bill. We have selected bill, and you will see the path here, F home folder bill. After that, we will apply the template. So we'll expand this option and we'll select this block image files except JPEG. This template is created by us and we'll apply this template to this folder. And the this template is applied. Then we'll do the verification. So we'll try to save any picture except JPEG. Okay, so we'll try to save bitmap image first and you will get this error. You need permission to perform this action. Then what we will do, we'll do the second verification. We'll save the JPEG file. So it should accept JPEG file. Let us do this lab. We'll log on to domain controller. We'll wait for a few seconds. We'll let this server settle down. Okay, so server manager is open. We'll go to tools. Under tools, we'll go to FSRM, file server resource manager. So we'll go to file server resource manager. We'll right click here and we'll select this configure option. And under this configure option, we'll select this file screen audit option and we'll check this record file screening activities. So this option will monitor the user's activities. After that, we need to create the template. We'll go to file screening management, file screen template, right click. So you can see we have some predefined templates here like block audio and video files, block email files, etc. We want our own template. So create a file screening template, file screen template, and we'll provide the name. And we'll select image files. Then we'll click edit. And here all the formats are included. Okay, which means it will block files to include means it will block all these extensions. And we need to exclude JPEG. So let us add JPEG asterisk dot JPEG. You will get the error. Okay, this error says you cannot specify the same file pattern in both files to include and files to exclude, which means this .jpeg is already there in files to include. So we need to delete .jpeg from here first. So let us delete, let us remove it, and now it will accept asterisk .jpeg. Then we'll add it. Okay. Then we'll click OK. So our template is created. Block images except JPEG. Now we need to apply this template to build folder. So we'll go to file screens. We'll right click, create file screen option, and we'll provide the folder path of bill. So we'll go to C. It is not in C, it is in F. Then home folder. Under this home folder, we have the bill folder. Then we'll click OK. And you can see we have provided the bill path, bill folder path. Now what we will do, we'll select the template we created. Block images except JPEG. Then we'll select this option, create. Okay, so this screening is created. We need to do the verification. We'll go to the workstation and we'll log on with bill account. Then we'll go to this PC. This is the home folder or network drive or of bill. And what we will do, we'll try to save .bmp image now. It should not accept. If it is accepting means we need to sign out and sign in. So you can see you need permission to perform this access. So it is not allowing to save the .bmp format. So we'll click cancel and let us try one more time. We will try it multiple times, which means this user is trying to break the rules. All these activities will be monitored. We'll cancel it. Now guys, let us try to save .jpeg file. So we'll create one .jpeg file. We'll open Paint. Now we'll save it. Save as. We'll give any name. Image dot jpeg, and we select this jpeg format. Then we'll click save. So you can't save. Okay, so we need to select the another location. So let us save it on desktop. Let us verify what is the extension of this image. Right click properties, and you can see it is .jpeg, and we can save this image now. We'll right click, copy and paste. It should accept it. You can see guys, it is accepting the .jpeg image and it will not accept the other images. So this is how you will do this lab.